Here we have Terra Luna, symbol LUNA versus the dollar, and what do we have? We have another higher low. Crazy, man. So I believe we hit our pullback targets at $70. It actually got a little bit below $70. That's okay. In this case, I'm still looking at this one as more or less good. It's been that beautiful sideways, not pulling back into low volatility conditions. Hidden bullish divergence compare with your last local low right here. Beautiful. Daily jewel about to turn back up as well. I like it. I like it. Very nice. Very fucking nice. Very nice, sir. Would confirm this one as like a major low and very likely returns back around your prior highs. Well, first and foremost, I want to see a 4-hour closure above your range highs. That's going to be about 79 and a quarter would do it for me. Yes, I do think that's probably going to happen from this region. Next target would be somewhere around low $92 region. However, I would just be looking for a general sideways and up on your higher term timeframes, especially namely your weekly and monthly, both of which are still in long-term good posturings. The monthly just, backfilled on last month open, back up. So I'm going to be looking at January as likely a month of mostly consolidation, but assuming that you do hold your current higher low, which is, let's just say $70 on a daily closing basis, I am looking for that to be your major low in this case. We can talk about targets upon a macro breakout, although it's not really near there anywhere, near there just yet. But let's first look at momentum oscillators here from a stochastic perspective, and daily stochastic is turning up above $65, currently trading almost $10 above there right now. Quite good, you might say. 4-hour also nice and vertical above 71.5. Hourly, I imagine, is flippy floppy, maybe even a little bit. No, actually flipping back up above $74 about here on the next hourly closure in about 6 minutes or so. So keep that in mind. I'm generally looking at this as one of the better charts, obviously. What would invalidate this one, and what would make me quite bearish on this one? I would actually not say $70. I would say below $67 on a daily closure, as that is kind of like your low side base. I would look for this one to go for a much deeper retrace. We're talking probably into the mid 50s or so. Let me just double check over here on the weekly. Probably somewhere around mid 50s before your next bounce, maybe about mid 50s. And then long term, I'd probably be looking for this one to actually come down significantly towards $40. But for right now, okay, especially as long as Bitcoin does hold its own composure. And on the short-term timeframes, where are the areas to be aware of? Well, your last higher low right here is about $71. So as long as you're above there, looking for this one to trade sideways and up from this current region, you see a little bit of an ascending trend going on in the very short-term timeframes right here. That is, going to be generally good. It's called a fucking uptrend, right? And guess what? The measure move on that is probably going to bring you above your next medium-term timeframe range highs, thus confirming the daily, thus playing on into the next move up. But hopefully that was helpful. And there you go for Luna. I won't talk about the macro breakout targets here just because they're very far away for right now. So we're still just looking at a consolidation at best. But hopefully that was helpful. And there you go, sir.